Welcome to One Mind Dharma's playlist of mindfulness for beginners. Be sure to check out the whole playlist if you're new to meditation and mindfulness. My name's Matthew Sokolov. I'm a teacher here at One Mind Dharma, and I want to talk briefly about the posture of the body when we meditate. I think this is an important aspect of meditation practice that we often kind of gloss over or don't receive teaching on. And when we think of somebody meditating, we often think of somebody sitting upright, maybe with their legs kind of crossed or in a full lotus position. The reality for most of us is that's just not a sustainable position. Sitting upright is certainly a useful way to meditate, but we can meditate lying down, standing, walking. Most important is to reflect on how your posture supports your mind and body, supports your practice. If you're meditating in a way to promote relaxation or perhaps go to sleep, then standing probably isn't the correct posture. Lying down, maybe. If you're finding yourself sleepy during meditation and nodding off, lying down is probably not the posture to use. In fact, even seated meditation can cause this in moments, and instead we can stand or walk. So it's important to recognize that the posture that we see most people sitting in, or how meditation is portrayed, is what generally works for most people in most situations. However, you have to listen to your own mind and body and investigate for yourself what is useful. Sometimes I meditate on my cushion on the ground. Other times, if the body's feeling kind of tight, I'll sit in a chair, a little bit more comfortable. Remember that you can always switch posture during meditation. If you're sitting in meditation and find yourself getting quite sleepy, you might try standing up and doing walking meditation. I have a couple videos on walking meditation, including an introduction and a guided practice. But if you spend time at a monastery, you'll see that meditation is not just practiced while seated. And you'll see monastics, monks, and nuns sitting in a variety of ways. So let go of any idea of the perfect meditation posture and investigate for yourself what is useful. One of the things that I find is when I am seated, if I bring some energy to my body, some alertness, reaching the spine upward, keeping the posture straight, while allowing the muscles to be relaxed, the shoulders to fall from the ears, the belly to be soft. This posture kind of promotes the qualities I'm going for in meditation, some alertness, while also inviting in some relaxation, right? We don't want to get too relaxed or we kind of fall into sluggishness. And we don't want to be too alert or too energized, or else we begin tightening and tensing, maybe straining or stressing. So finding some middle ground there, finding what works for you. I often spend like the first minute of my meditation kind of moving my body and making all the little adjustments I need to make. And then during your sitting practice, or standing, or walking, or lying down, don't be afraid to pause and check in with the posture of the body. I find it while seated that if I am getting some sluggishness or tiredness, I often am kind of slouching over. And instead of just allowing that and being mindful of it, we can mindfully and slowly move, inviting in some energy. If I find myself straining really hard, over efforting, I'll invite in some relaxation. I'll soften the muscles. So, above all else, what I want to encourage you is twofold. One, to let go of an idea of a perfect or right posture. And two, to bring mindfulness to the body, to investigate what is useful for you.